Getting denied for a mortgage can feel discouraging, especially when home ownership seemed within reach. But a rejection isn't necessarily the end of the road. In many cases, it's simply an indication of what needs to be improved before you can qualify for a home loan. At TAM Mortgage, we believe every setback can become an opportunity to move closer to approval. So why do mortgage applications get denied? One of the most common reasons is a low credit score. Lenders use your credit history to assess how likely you are to repay the loan. Another major factor is your debt-to-income ratio, or DTI, which measures how much of your monthly income is already committed to debt payments. Lenders also look closely at employment history, income stability, and supporting documentation. Missing paperwork, inconsistencies in your application, or unexplained financial activity can all raise concerns during the underwriting process. The good news is that most mortgage denial reasons can be addressed. The first step is to carefully review the denial notice and understand exactly why your application was rejected. Once you identify the cause, you can create a plan to strengthen your financial profile. For many borrowers, this means improving their credit score by making on-time payments and reducing credit card balances. Lowering existing debt can also improve your debt-to-income ratio and increase your chances of approval. Building additional savings, providing complete documentation, and maintaining stable employment can further strengthen your application. If a conventional mortgage isn't the right fit today, there may be alternative loan programs available. Options such as FHA loans, VA loans, and other specialized lending programs often provide more flexible qualification requirements. At TAM Mortgage, we help borrowers understand their options and develop a strategy to move from denial to approval. Whether you need assistance improving your credit profile, documenting self-employment income, or identifying the right loan program, expert guidance can make a significant difference. A mortgage denial doesn't have to define your home ownership journey. With the right plan, the right preparation, and the right support, you can overcome obstacles and position yourself for future approval. Your path to home ownership may take a little longer than expected, but it can still lead to a successful outcome. Take the next step toward getting approved for the home you've been dreaming about. Contact TAM Mortgage today.